Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to make New York chopped cheese, also known as a chopped cheese. Guys, this sandwich is made on a small grill with ground beef, onions, and topped with melted cheese and served with lettuce, tomatoes, ketchup, and mayo on a hero roll or hoagie roll. It's basically a burger turned into a sandwich. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start by slicing the lettuce. Just cut it however you like, guys. It doesn't have to be fancy. Once all the lettuce is cut, we're gonna set aside, then move on and slice the tomatoes. The tomatoes are done. We're gonna set them aside. Now let's get to the patties. I'm using 80-20 ground beef, sliced onion, and adobo seasoning. Now let's head to the stove. Heat a large cast iron skillet or griddle over medium-high heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the onions. Saute onions for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until they get translucent. After 3 minutes, move onions to the side, add ground beef patties to the pan and cook until well browned, about 3 minutes on one side. Season with adobo seasoning. Do not go too much with adobo seasoning, guys. While the patties are cooking, keep stirring the onions, guys. We don't want them to burn. Now the onions are soft and translucent. We're gonna remove them from the pan and set them aside. After 3 minutes, now we're gonna flip the burgers and cook 2 minutes. The total time to cook the patties is 5 minutes. Now use the steel spatula to chop the burgers. The key to chopping your burger is to let them cook for a few minutes so they are easy to cut through. You will need to chop it lengthwise like the way I'm doing, guys, then widthwise until it looks like a ground beef. Now add back the cooked onions and keep chopping and stirring. This should take about 1 minute. Now we are going to top with cheese. I'm using American cheese, guys, and cover with the lid to help the cheese to melt quickly. I love American cheese on this recipe. as it melts much better than other cheese. Next, we're gonna go ahead and toast the buns on a large skillet with a little bit of oil over medium-high heat. This is how it looks, guys. It looks cheesy. Now it's time to assemble our sandwich. Guys, I didn't have hoagie buns. I have a lot of hamburger buns, guys, so I decided to use them. Add mayo on the buns, then drizzle ketchup on top. I love mayo, guys. You can spread a thin layer of mayo. And we're gonna follow with sliced tomatoes. Next, divide the meat mixture evenly between the toasted buns. Then top with shredded iceberg lettuce on top of the filling. Voila! There you have it, guys. New York chopped cheese. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Share it with your friends and your family. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.